Hello everyone, welcome back to Niharika. Becoming a parent is a beautiful journey, but caring for a newborn baby at home can feel overwhelming, especially for first-time parents. In today's video, I'll share simple and practical tips on how to take care of a newborn baby at home, so you can feel confident and relaxed while nurturing your little one. First, let's talk about feeding your newborn. Newborn babies usually need feeding every 2 to 3 hours. If you're breastfeeding, make sure the baby is latching properly and feeding comfortably. Breast milk provides essential nutrients and boosts the baby's immunity. If you're using formula, always follow the instructions carefully and maintain hygiene while preparing the feed. Watch for hunger cues like lip smacking, sucking motions, or crying. Next is sleeping care. Newborns sleep for about 16 to 18 hours a day, but in short intervals. Always place your baby on their back to sleep, on a firm mattress, without pillows or soft toys. This helps reduce the risk of sudden infant death syndrome and ensures safe sleep at home. Diaper care is another important part of newborn care. Change diapers frequently to keep your baby clean and dry. Gently clean the diaper area using warm water or baby wipes and apply a diaper rash cream if needed. Keeping the area dry helps prevent rashes and infections. Now let's discuss bathing and hygiene. A newborn does not need a daily bath. 2 to 3 times a week is enough. Until the umbilical cord stump falls off, give your baby a sponge bath. Use mild, baby-safe products and lukewarm water. After bathing, gently pat the baby dry and moisturize their skin. Umbilical cord care is very important in the first few weeks. Keep the area clean and dry. Avoid covering it with tight diapers, and never apply home remedies unless advised by a doctor. The cord will usually fall off within 1 to 2 weeks. Handling your newborn with care is essential. Always support the baby's head and neck while lifting or holding them. Talk, sing, and make eye contact with your baby. This helps in emotional bonding and brain development. Finally, pay attention to your baby's health and comfort. Watch for signs like fever, difficulty feeding, excessive crying, or rashes. If something feels unusual, consult a pediatrician immediately. Trust your instincts as a parent. Caring for a newborn takes patience, love, and time. Remember, you're learning every day, and it's okay to make mistakes. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Niharika for more baby care tips. Thank you for watching.